Hello everyone, what are you all? I am fine. I am reading newspaper. This article, 9 parrots being brought to India to face legal action Navy. A day after rescuing in hijacked Iranian fishing vessel and its 23-member Pakistani crew under an anti-Paraki operation at sea. The Indian Navy on Saturday said the 9 surrendered pirates are being brought to India for further legal action. Legal action will be enacted under the Maritime Anti-Piracy Act 2022. The Indian Navy specialist team have completed sanitation and seaworthiness check of fishing vessel Al-Kambar in picture. According to the Navy spokesperson, the crew, comprising 23 Pakistani nationals, were given a thorough medical checkup prior to clearing the boat to continue with her fishing activity, it said. Green groups seek ban on infra project in Himalaya. More than 60 environmental and social organizations in the country have demanded a complete ban on all mega infrastructure projects such as those related to the railway, dams, hydro project and four-line highway in the Himalayas and have used for referendums and public consolidation to be made compulsory for all development projects. The organization jointly leading the People for Himalaya comprising issued a 5-point chapter of demands of all political practice for the Lok Sabha polls. They call for a complete moratorium on all mega infrastructure projects along with a comprehensive multidisciplinary review of the impact of a existing project. The organization demand the democratic decision making through referendums and public consolidation to be made compulsory for large infrastructure project. They also call for the significanting of the environmental impact assessment notification 1994, the surpassing of the EIA 2020 amendment and FCA 2023 amendment and free prior informed consent of Gram Sabha for all development project. Thank you.